Kartel, here. I don't know who you do the liquor something there. I don't know who you merge with. You need to link me, yeah? Take ego out of it. You need to link me. Remember America, I live. Remember, me study the whole copyright thing and the whole. You understand? You don't need to link me. Whether sooner or later, you don't have to go link me. So, link me before it's too late.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we will look at the hype threatened to sue Vybz Kartel over Straight Nation / Straight Vybz RUM. Skilly Bang gets a new pet tiger where he's seen putting the chain around the tiger. Vybz Kartel claps back at Amari and the naysayers. So if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and share. Stay tuned. Now, yesterday, Amari came out with a video on Instagram looking at Vybz Kartel as, you know, like the worst, basically, in fear eyes, because she's saying, oh, this is embarrassing and him should take it down. I know him sure got flop and this and that. So Vybz Kartel posted a clipping of his rehearsal, which got Sheba, and also included reposted Niga Simara. I don't know if you guys know the influencer, of him saying, basically reminding people that Kartel is 48 years old, battling a disease that was supposed to take him down. He has a lot of energy for somebody who is battling illness. So he is giving us hope and want us to be still excited for the show. So check this out.
Recent videos captured what seemed to be a very strong Vybz Kartel rehearsing for over 4 hours, jumping around like an energetic child in a bounce house. Just to be clear, this is a 48-year-old man that is battling an illness that would have stifled the career of an average artist, but not the Gaza boss. So for all the people who are worried that Vybz Kartel won't be ready for his epic performance on December 31st, let me be the first to tell you this: you are wasting your worry. Clearly, you do not know the willpower of a man that has something to prove. 13 years in a cell no bigger than a one-car garage with limited mobility. If you think Vybz Kartel is going to wither away and melt away like an ice cream cone on stage, you've made a grave mistake. Since his release, Vybz Kartel has been working out at least 30 minutes every day to get his stamina in check. More joy, health, and prosperity to the Gaza boss. Fully Gaza.
Big up news for that, isn't it? Big up, thanks for the explanation. Alright, next topic. Skilly Bang was seen with a cheetah putting his chain around its neck and interacting with the animal. Check this out.
Hey, bro.
On a brave door, that's all me know. Anyways, tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Now, there is a big war between Straight Vybz, which is Vybz Kartel's brand RUM, is changing from Street Vibe to Straight Vybz. And we all know that, as much as women really agree with some of the things he always says, but yes, I do see the similarities between Straight Vybz for Kartel and Straight Vybz for FOTAH. But what I think he should have done was to call him over the phone, let his lawyer call Vybz Kartel or him call him. If you are dealing with business, you can't say, oh, you don't want a man beg you, say a big friend. Then let your lawyer call him. You do this now on the internet, like you try to ban him up indirectly. So, you have to go deal with the off ear, that's where you should have started first, right? But Missy Kim Kardashian, them do this all the time. People have name before them or after them, but because they never trademark the name, the people them lose. So may the best man win. But check this out. This is what FOTAH had to say. He also said, if Kartel no bring up Bounty, there's no Gaza before Bounty, so him no like or in but I'm saying, what if it's a surprise? Kartel can't tell every single body with the bunny. But if it's a surprise, we just wait and see, no? Mighty and your sister Cartel and Bounty good. But anyways, this is what he had to say. Check this out.
Now, me could talk about the 31st of December. Vybz Kartel show, Freedom Street. What do you think? Who I go put up on? Who I go watch it online put up on? All who still excited about the show put up on? Lock it same book. You know, 441 north side in the building. You know, representing. Me personally, I like the idea where Vybz Kartel incorporate Popcorn and Skilly Bang and him say Busta Rhymes. Him say a whole was a international act. I like that. Cause at first he look like him there promote himself and now plan to add nobody to it. I'm glad him do that. One thing more Kartel for know, you have to add the alliance part. There is no Gaza without alliance. So, me no hear you say Bounty Killer, me no hear you say Wayne Marshall, me no hear you say Bling Dog. Remember your Marshall have a slower hits together. We start the real glory. You understand what I say? So, me a listener, me not hear say Bounty book and Ray. Remember you and Beanie have a segment where you and Beanie are par. So Beanie need for book too. Cause if you go give it a show there, and I give it a Cartel show. The Cartel show can't exist without Bounty Killer. You understand what I say? The Cartel show can't exist without Bounty Killer and the Alliance era of Vybz Kartel career. And then remember you have the Beanie and Cartel apart era. And then you have the Gaza Nation era. Where him and the whole like Gaza people them. And then you have the era where a feature like people who him do collabo with we got big and them something there. Some don't know who responds to the organization of the thing and the ego and the something them will probably unite. But you have to make it make sense. You have to make it make sense. See me make a book nothing there. Cause remember you never use nothing either. And me talk and you end up use nothing. So yeah, do the right thing and I fix it as you go along. But one big empty space there. Bounty Killer, Bling Dog, Wayne Marshall, the Alliance era there. I remember Movado, a forward of Jamaica, you'd have the separate from Alliance, you'd have Vado Cartel segment. So your show is a whole series then. It's like a movie series with different episodes. You understand? And Cartel, here I don't know who I do the liquor something there. I don't know who you merge with. You need to link me here. Take ego out of it. You need to link me. Remember America, I live. Remember, I study the whole copyright thing and the whole. You understand? You don't need to link me. Whether sooner or later, you don't have to go link me. So, just link me. Link me before it's too late. Anybody where you want them, I do the liquor, yeah? See the name there? You want to get the liquor? You don't link me. I don't have no ego with it, you know. I don't have no hype with it because I know what me I say. You don't link me. Alright? So make ego rule in here. You don't link me. I'm here on the place, you know, people. All you see them are going, I'm here on the place. You hear Nesbeth song, right? Straight Nation. You see Boom Boom cuss me, but in the England and Straight Nation, him a say, on him stage. You see where Kartel liquor name now, right? Wanna see it? And me are the done. And me I run the place. And me I run the fucking place. Okay? So, Kartel, you want the distillers of your liquor? You need to link me. People that can't say, me not tell him, you know. Remember me have people me can call and say, give him the phone, but me don't want it look like a friend me a beg or me a running or no. This is business. Kartel, if I the Indian man there when me see, I take a picture with you, know, tell him, link me. Okay? Alright. So, me I look forward to the show. Remember that STR8 something there? And my intellectual property and my idea and my thought brought to life. But remember good. Oh, that's something you're going. See it up on my screen? Me tell you it copyright, you know. Me tell you, no. It's not a joke thing. It's not a joke thing. See it here, STR8. It's on my. Even if you don't write STR8, it don't matter. It created off of my intellectual intelligence. So, wanna link me? People wanna be a witness today. Come in a while. If them not link me, I may start doing me to do. Nobody say me bad mind, you know. Alright. So me just want to remember, say me did turn on the live here, and me did say, link me. Okay? Me not fight nobody think I'm glad say, me create something where other great minds want to emulate and want to work with and find it fascinating and find it as something we can work. You understand me, I say? So, Vybz Kartel, the owners and distillers of Straight Vybz Liquor, link me. Okay? Alright.
What you guys think in the comment section? Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you reach this far in the video, thank you so much. Honestly, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.